Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to install Gimp 2.10. Yes, that is correct, you heard me right. Gimp has finally released version 2.10. It has been 6 years Gimp 2.8 was released. They have got a massive list of changes in the new version of Gimp. Such changes like colour management is a core feature now. Most widgets and preview areas are colour managed. Many improved tools and several new and exciting tools such as the unified transform and the handle transform tools. It also has on canvas preview for all filters ported to GEGL. Improved digital painting with canvas rotation and flipping. Support for several new image formats added: OpenEXR, RGBE, WebP and HGT. And it also has new themes for Gimp: light, grey, dark and system. I will put a link in the description below to all the changes they have done on the new version of Gimp. Right, to start off with, you now need to head on over to the link that's in the description below and you will end up on a page that looks like this. Once you're on this page, you now need to go ahead and press download Gimp directly, and you now need to go save file. This file is 126 meg, so depending on your internet connection, depends on how long it will take to download. You now need to go ahead and run the setup file, and we need to go run. We now need to go OK. And you can now click on customize and you can go next, and we can now choose where we'd like to install Gimp. I'm actually happy for it to be installed on my C drive, so I'm going to go ahead and press next. You now need to make sure it's on full installation unless you don't want to install some of the extras here, and if you don't, you can simply untick the checkbox. We now need to go next, and we can now go select all, and we need to go next again. And I do want to create a desktop icon. We now need to go next and install. Once it has finished installing, we now need to go finish, and we can double click on Gimp. Once Gimp has opened, this is what you will end up with. And straight away, as you can see, like always, we have all our tools to the left here. We have some filters to the right hand side here. And we have all our menu options at the top. If I now go to help and click on about Gimp, there we go. As you can see, we have Gimp 2.10 installed, and it really is that easy. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials.